Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to Soulful Key. If this is your first time here, don't worry, I consider you a VIP. But if you're an OG and you know me, thank you for supporting Key. So today, y'all, we're going to be getting into this cute little simple with a pop of color look. You guys are ready to get into it? Let's do it. Alrighty guys, so I went ahead and took care of my brows off camera, and we are going to go ahead and get into this look. I'm going to use the Essence Welcome to Miami eyeshadow palette. I actually purchased this from Ulta, and I believe this was only $15. This is what the palette looks like. And I'm going to start out by using this brown shade. Next, I'm going to take like this pale shade here, and I'm going to pop that right on my lid, girl. Now I'm just going to go right back over and blend out my lid color into the first shade that I put down. I'm going to take this shade here, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of my lashes off camera, and we'll come back and finish the face. I went ahead and moisturized and primed my face off camera. e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer. Y'all, this is some good stuff, and it smells amazing. It smells like watermelon. For foundation today, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation, and this is in the shade 370. Next, I am taking my Super Dewy Liquid Blush, and this is by Makeup Revolution. I have really been enjoying this blush lately. I think I want to get more of these in different shades. I believe this one was very affordable too. Next, I'm taking the Keep Me Covered Concealer, also by Essence, to highlight my face. Alrighty, I'm gonna let my concealer dry down just a little bit while I use the last bit of contour that I have, and this is the Fenty Beauty Matchstick, and I'm using the shade Espresso. So now I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my concealer using a beauty blender. Look at the coverage on this concealer. Yeah, once I blend out my concealer, I like to go back over with the same brush that I used to blend out my foundation, just to get rid of any of the harsh lines and make everything just kind of look smooth and seamless before we go in with powder. So lately I've been using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus loose setting powder, and this is in the shade Banana. But before I use this, I've been going in with the One Size Turn Up the Base foundation first as like a pressed powder option, and then I go in with the loose powder. So I'm just taking my powder puff, I dip it in only once. I really need to clean this. And I press that under the eye. And then once, that's it. Because it's kind of dark, so I don't like to put too much product on it. Once on the chin, once above the lip. I like to set my smile lines in place. And then forehead. Now I'm literally going to do the exact same thing with the Wet n Wild powder, and I'll be right back. I'm going to go ahead and bronze with the Juvia's Place Bronzèe palette, and I'm going to use this top color here to add some much needed warmth back to my face. Now I'm going to take the NYX Sweet Cheeks blush, and this is in the shade Red Riot, to add a little bit more blush to my face since we covered the liquid blush with all of the other products. This is the e.l.f. No Budge Shadow Stick, and it doesn't have a shade. Oh, and this is in the shade Rose Quartz. And I'm actually going to put this in my waterline and warm it up a little bit on the back of my hand. Alrighty, next I'm going to take a NYX liner to line my lips. This is actually an eye pencil, and it's in the shade Black Brown. I'm going to use it. I'm actually running out. I'm going to use this to line my lips. And for our lipstick, we are using the Dose of Colors. So I am taking the NYX Bear With Me Prime Set and Refresh Spray to spray my face. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to go ahead and get dressed off camera and come back to close out the video. So guys, this is the final look. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, continue to be well until the next time. I love you so much. Bye.